How to remove red eye in Lightroom Mobile. Hello, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, I would show you how you can remove red eye in Lightroom Mobile. First of all, you must note that Lightroom Mobile doesn't have a dedicated red eye tool, but here is a clever workaround. First step is to open the photo that you would like to remove its red eye, and after opening the photo, zoom in on the eyes, okay, and then move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons like um presets, crop, edit, then the max icon. Click on that. For you to be able to do this, ensure that this particular trick, all right, ensure that you're using the premium version of Lightroom. All right, it is only possible for those using the premium version, that is the premium users. As long as you're a premium user, click on the maxing tool, then in on the tools interface, select brush and then paint over the red area of the eyes. All right, after painting over the red area of the eyes, reduce saturation and adjust the temperature or tint to match the natural eye color. In that way, red eye would be removed on um the photo you've added to your Lightroom. Okay, so you can make use of your edit as well, the edit option, to make few edits, but majorly to be able to remove red eye, you have to use the Lightroom, the premium Lightroom version. Click on the max tool, paint over the red area of the eyes, reduce saturation, and adjust tint to temperature to match the natural eye color. And there you go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.